Aloha money magnets and master traders. Yesterday's pre-market video when I covered futures in the NASDAQ 100, Uncle spoke about the 59.42 level. Because yesterday when I was recording my video, futures was pretty up there and was retesting 59.93 level, right around there, guys. I'm wondering, do we have ourselves a double top situation here? Do we have ourselves a double top situation? Couple things to note though. I mean, as you guys know, double tops tend to be bearish signs on the price action chart, technical analysis, whatever you want to call it. On the charts, double tops tend to be bearish signs. However, you know what else have double tops? Cups and handles. So we gotta check out the context of these candles, because the rules with a cup and handle usually when we're in the process of the handle, it doesn't drop below 50% retracement of the cup. It usually doesn't retrace more than 50%. So I'm wondering, is this a cup and we're in the handle phase? So I want to go down to a 1 hour chart. I think in a smaller time frame we can see the cup and handle a little better. So if I just fix this a little bit. Okay, so you guys can see the cup starting over here. The cup, I got something I can draw with. I got this brush. The cup, it's a cup. I'm gonna change the color to blue. You guys see the cup now? All right, it's a big old cup, and I'm wondering if this is the handle. Are we in the handle phase? If I zoom out here, you guys see I already have fib levels to measure this cup. Right over here from the first high down to this pivot low, the 50% retracement level is at 58.75. And you guys can see right now, today, that level already tested. The 50% retracement level of this cup on futures already tested. You guys see the arrows pointing? Guess what? There is some buying pressure there. So let me head back to the daily chart. So now that we can see this cup and we see where the handle is, we don't want to see it retrace more than 50% of the cup, because if it does, that invalidates the cup and handle. If the cup and handle gets invalidated, I'm going to be leaning more with the double top pattern than the cup and handle pattern, because, well, it got invalidated. And for bears to invalidate the cup and handle pattern, if bears want to destroy the hopes of the bulls, they need to break down 58.75. If that level is lost, cup and handle is invalidated. 58.47, 58.12, and 57.56 would be in play. Now, if this is a double top followed by a big old M pattern, 57.56 is the level to watch, because if that level fails, M pattern on the E-mini futures can play out. That would be good for some swing puts, or, well, in this case, swing shorts. So, but I have resistance level at 59.03. If 58.75 fails, more downside incoming. If we are to get a bounce, because we already tested the 50% retracement of the cup, if this is truly a bounce, 59.03 and 59.42 are resistant levels. I recommend you guys go long if 59.03 or 59.42 can clear as resistant. Otherwise, 58.75 fails, go short. NASDAQ, we lost the level. The 21.418 level is a macro level, fib level for the NASDAQ 100. The bulls just couldn't recapture it these last couple days. It looked like they was going for it. They almost had it yesterday, but almost is not enough. And today, right around the area of 21.418, you guys can see that wick. There is selling pressure. So support is turning into a strong resistant level. The breakdown we had in the last couple days is holding. And it went down to hit the next fib level, as you guys are seeing. There's a bit of buying pressure there. That level is at 21.243. So if it fails next, if we can stay below 21.418 and break down 21.243, we are definitely heading down a lot lower. 21,144, 21,046, 20,924, possibly even lower than that, down to 20,727. The NASDAQ in the futures can bless you all if you trade the price action unbiasedly. I believe that with all my heart and soul. And if you believe that too, make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. And remember to trade it unbiasedly. That's how you be a money magnet in the stock market. You make good decisions, trade it unbiasedly, sheep style. The money's going to come to you. It can't help it. Peace.